Hi, today in front of me Honor X8 5G and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first we should open the control panel, and here we'll see the all of the available options. If you want to add or remove some of them, or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon, and here we'll see this down section with invisible options. If you want to add some of them to your panel, you should just hold it and drag it to this up section by this way. So just if you want to remove some of them, hold and drag the icon to this down section, and to change their positions here, just hold it and drag it. Just to save the changes, click to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.